Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to receive money on Venmo. Venmo is a great way to send and receive money from friends and family. It's easy to use, and it's free to sign up. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Venmo account, how to link your bank account, and how to receive money from someone. I'll also cover some tips and tricks for using Venmo, such as how to avoid scams and how to get your money back if you make a mistake. So, if you're ready to learn how to receive money on Venmo, let's get started. Body. What is Venmo? Venmo is a free mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. To use Venmo, you need to create an account and link your bank account. You can then add friends to your Venmo account and start sending and receiving money. How to create a Venmo account? To create a Venmo account, you need to download the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and tap on the Sign Up button. Enter your name, email address, and phone number, and then create a password. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify your identity. You can do this by providing a copy of your driver's license or passport. Once your identity has been verified, you can link your bank account to your Venmo account. How to link your bank account to your Venmo account? To link your bank account to your Venmo account, tap on the Settings tab in the app. Then, tap on Bank Accounts. Enter your bank name, routing number, and account number. Once you've linked your bank account, you can start receiving money from others. How to receive money from someone on Venmo. To receive money from someone on Venmo, they will need to know your Venmo username or email address. They can then send you money by tapping on the Pay or Request button and entering your username or email address. Once the money has been sent, you'll receive a notification on your phone. You can then tap on the notification to view the transaction. Tips and tricks for using Venmo. Avoid scams. There are a number of scams associated with Venmo. To avoid scams, be sure to only send money to people you know and trust. If you receive a request for money from someone you don't know, be sure to do your research before sending any money. Get your money back if you make a mistake. If you accidentally send money to the wrong person, you can cancel the transaction within 24 hours. If you cancel a transaction, the money will be refunded to your bank account. Use Venmo to pay for bills. You can use Venmo to pay for bills, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Use Venmo to donate to charity. You can use Venmo to donate to charity. Use Venmo to buy and sell items. You can use Venmo to buy and sell items online or in person. Venmo is a great way to send and receive money from friends and family. It's easy to use, and it's free to sign up. I hope this video has helped you learn how to receive money on Venmo. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you next time.